Let's solve this together. It says root of b cubed is equal to root of 3 cubed. They're required to find the values for b. Okay? Now first things first, let me put out a disclaimer out there. Because you have root of b cubed to be equal to root of 3 cubed, a lot of people can say that you can cancel the square root signs and b will be equal to 3. This is not correct. Okay, this is not a correct solution. Now watch how you do this sequentially. So we have root of b cubed to be equal to root of 3 cubed. The first thing you should do here is to say, let's square both sides. So we have root of b cubed all squared is equal to root of 3 cubed all squared. Okay, square roots cancel, square roots cancels. You're left with b cubed to be equal to 3 cubed. Moving on from here, we can now say that b cubed minus 3 cubed is equal to 0. Okay, now here you have difference of 2 cubes. Okay, so you use the formula of difference of 2 cubes to solve. So this becomes b minus 3 multiplied by b squared plus 3b plus 3 squared, which is 9. And this is equal to 0. When the product of two is equal to 0, it's either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. So we can say that it's either b minus 3 is equal to 0, implying that b is equal to 3, or b squared plus 3b plus 9 is equal to 0. From here, you can say let's use the quadratic formula to solve. We have that b here will be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, and before you become confused, b here is for the coefficient of b here, a is for the coefficient of the first term, c is for the last term, and b is for the coefficient of the second term. Alright, so this b here is not the same as this b here. Okay, let's differentiate this with capital. Let's say that this is capital sign. Alright, now capital letter b now becomes equal to, what's b? Coefficient of b here, we have what? Minus 3 plus or minus square root of 3 squared is 9 minus 4 times 9 times 1 is 36 all over 2 times 1, which is 2. So this becomes equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of negative 27 all over 2. Okay, so moving on from here, we can now say that our b is equal to minus 3 plus or minus root of negative 27 as root of 9 times root of 3 times I, okay, all over 2. And this is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 9 is 3 I root 3 all over 2. Okay, this is the value of b, or we have that b is equal to 3. So b is either equal to 3 or b is equal to minus 3 plus 3i root 3 over 2, or minus 3 minus 3i root 3 over 2. Thanks for watching, guys. If you made this end, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.